Ever felt like things just keep happening to you at work? Deadlines pile up. Team dynamics collapse. Opportunities pass you by, while others seem to attract success effortlessly. But there's a reason. And no, it's not luck. In Master Key System Chapter 6, Haanel makes it clear. Every effect is the result of a cause. Which means your circumstances aren't random. They're reflections of the thoughts, beliefs, and intentions you've planted, consciously or unconsciously. Every email you send, every result you get, every project that lands or doesn't, is the output of a deeper mental input. Here's the kicker. Most people never question the cause. They only react to the effect. So they stay stuck in the same loop, year after year. Apply the cause alignment ritual. Before reacting to a challenge at work, ask, what thought or belief might have created this? And what thought could create something better next time? Now take 30 seconds to plant that new thought on purpose. That's not just reflection, that's real-time reprogramming. This is how you shift from surviving your job to shaping it with intention, focus, and self-mastery. You've now learned that nothing in your external reality is random. But if you're the cause, how exactly do you build the effect? Next up, we explore how to move from random results to a reliable creation formula used by successful creators, leaders, and thinkers. Coming up, the hidden sequence behind every breakthrough. If you're ready to stop playing defense in your work life and start creating results by design, hit subscribe. Cause and effect just got personal.